The National Sports University is not simply a university, it is a beacon of hope for aspiring athletes and sports enthusiasts alike. It is a place where excellence thrives and passion is nurtured. Located in the heart of Manipur, a state known for its unwavering dedication to sports, NSU represents a melting pot of cultures, ideas, and aspirations, all united by the common goal of achieving greatness in the world of sports. NSU is where dreams come to life, where champions are born, and where the impossible becomes possible. It's a hub of excellence in sports education, research, and innovation. As India transforms into a sporting nation, NSU is committed to meeting the growing demand for skilled sports professionals. At NSU, we don't just train athletes to be successful on the field. We create champions who understand the science of sports, the technology that drives it, and the social and cultural factors that shape it. Our programs in sports science, technology, and management, as well as specialized training for athletes across various sports, are designed to produce world-class sports professionals who can compete at the highest level. From state-of-the-art facilities to world-class faculty, NSU is committed to providing its students with the best possible education and training. At NSU, innovation is at the heart of everything we do. The university's state-of-the-art research facilities and laboratories are dedicated to pushing the boundaries of sports science and technology. From developing new training techniques to improving equipment, NSU is at the forefront of sports innovation. Translating research done in our labs to the sporting and training fields, combined with internship opportunities and access to international experts, our students are excelling in every area of the sports industry. The National Sports University is a place where students come to realize their dreams, where passion and hard work are celebrated, and where excellence is the norm. But it's not all nose to the grindstone for our talented students. In addition to their rigorous studies and practice sessions, they also have the opportunity to let their creative flags fly through a variety of cultural and recreational activities. Present, NSU is offering undergraduate courses in sports coaching and physical education and postgraduate courses in sports coaching, physical education, and sports psychology. Competitive sport is an integral part of the academic program of the university, and in a short period of time, NSU is already making waves in the sporting world. Students from the university have gone on to participate in various national and international sporting events and have earned accolades. NSU is making every effort to realize the vision of PM Shri Narendra Modi ji to make India a sporting powerhouse, and in a short span it has already come a long way towards realizing that vision. Even as NSU prepares to shift its operations to a new campus with world-class facilities for its students, it has successfully created an enabling environment for knowledge transfer and training in differentiated fields related to sport. In the coming years, it will occupy center stage in sports education and innovation, as it nurtures sporting talent not just at home but from across the world. Come, join us be a part of the future of sports education, and achieve excellence in sports through education, research, and training.